excess fat you got above your hip region is known as love handles. And today I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can remove them. Because let's be honest, we all want those shredded obliques, but only few people are able to achieve that. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the video. Hey guys, my name is Apur Agrawal. Hope you are having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got hundreds of videos on different topics which you don't want to miss out. So today we are going to talk about love handles. If you are above 18% body fat, you will have some sort of love handles. The higher your body fat percentage is, the more fat you got. And it's really difficult to lose it, especially when you're not doing any sort of exercises or if you are not working out. But it's not impossible. Follow these 3 tips I'm about to tell you and eventually you're gonna lose them. So the most important thing, if you're not following this tip, nothing else in the world is gonna work for you. So the first thing is that you need to burn some extra calories. Spot reduction is not possible. You cannot just lose fat from your thighs, from your hips or from your face. It's just not possible. Your body loses fat as a whole, and that will happen only when you are burning more calories when compared to what you are eating. So the first thing you need to do is to be in a caloric deficit. Calculate your maintenance calorie and eat less 300 from it. You can follow a keto diet. You can do intermittent fasting. You can do any dumb diet in this world. But if you are not in a caloric deficit, you will never lose your love handles. Another thing you can do is to add some sort of cardio, whether it is bicycling, whether it is running, swimming, anything. That will help you to burn some extra calories and it will just speed up this whole process. But doing cardio isn't all. The second thing will be to hit your obliques. Just like any other muscle group in your body, your obliques will get more strong, more big if you hit them directly with different exercises. Yes, they will start to show if you lose fat from that region, but they will look their best only when you hit them directly. There are many exercises in the world for it, but these 3 are my favorite. First one is known as side planks. Hold each side for 45 seconds and do it 3 times. Make sure you are keeping your back straight and your core tight. Now the second exercise will be side crunches. Make a good muscle-mind connection and perform this exercise for 3 sets of 20 reps each. The last exercise is one of my personal favorite. Out of these 3, it's also the favorite one. It is known as wood chopper. Do it with cables and I'm 100% sure you will feel your obliques moving. If you have some problem in doing any of these exercises, then make sure to comment down below. I'll make a video on top 5 exercises for your obliques. In that video, I'll show you how you can do each exercises properly for maximum progress. So yeah, do these 3 exercises once or twice per week and you're good to go. Just remember, losing fat is much more important than doing any exercise, because your obliques will never show properly until and unless you lose those love handles. Now the third thing will be training your back. If you don't focus on your back, then it's time you do. If your back is more wide and have thickness, it will give an illusion of you having less love handles. So make sure you are training your back properly, doing enough lat and rowing movements. If you don't know how to train your back properly, then make sure to check out this video. It explains everything you need to know in order to get a V-taper back. So yeah, these were the 3 things which you need to know in order to get rid of those love handles. Just remember, if you want an attractive looking physique, you need to lower your body fat and you need to put on muscles on key body part areas. Everything else like getting abs or losing those love handles will eventually fall into place. But that will happen only when you are following a proper diet, doing a proper workout routine. So if you need any help, then make sure to DM me on Instagram. My username is in the description box below. Also DM me if you want to see a video on any topic. If you are working out, if you are taking care of your diet, if you are taking care of your health, you are above average already. Belong to 2% people on this whole world. Lifting will increase your confidence 10 times. So make it a habit and be consistent, man. This will be the best thing you will ever do for yourself. That's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.
She love me, I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night.